Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about my strategy, simple strategy for making 100 pips a day. Somebody asked me in one of the videos, how can you make 100 pips a day? 100 pips is a good start, I must say. 100 pips is a lot of money depending on the size of your trading account. I even know people who are making lots and lots of money by just making 50 pips a day. They are in the market for 50 pips, they are done. They close the charts and they go into something else. Even for people with bigger accounts, there are some people who just aim for something like 10 pips, 20 pips because of the size of their accounts, and they make money and they are done. But if you are trading maybe with the $100 account, $500 account, $1,000 account, maybe you probably want to maximize on the number of pips that you might actually end up making. That's why I've doing this 100 pips a day strategy. So where do you start? By the way, this is my system that I developed for myself. It's basically a very simple trading system. Basically, you can see I basically trade from zone to zone. I like to call it zone to zone, but it's basically traditional supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it. I just want to call it zone to zone. I'm just waiting for price to touch my zones there, and hoping this will be the next zone, which will be my first TP and my second TP there. First TP basically is where I take out part of my trade and I let the rest go to see if it's going to reach the next zone. So I think it's very easy. It's very easy to follow, really. I'll probably link to this system in the description box below if you want to learn more about it. Now, getting back to our video, the strategy that you can use to make 100 pips a day. So the first thing that you want to do, the first thing that any person would want to do, is you need to screen out your forex pairs. And there are forex pairs that really move every day, and then there are forex pairs that sometimes they're just stagnant. They don't go anywhere. They move, but they don't move fast. So the first thing that I would tell a person who wants to make 100 pips a day is, first of all, you need a good forex pair that moves. Whether you're going to be trading indices or whether you're going to trade something like gold or GBP pairs or maybe Euro USD, you need a pair that really moves. At least a pair that moves over 100 pips a day. Then you definitely are guaranteed that if you catch a good move, you are guaranteed of at least 100 pips a day. So you don't want to look for pairs that move maybe 50 pips or 20 pips a day. Look for pairs that move at least 100 pips or even beyond 100 pips a day. Then part of the work is already done. You just need to find good entries if you find a pair like that. So I'm on gold right now, daily time frame. You can see if on the daily time frame, from my zones, from this zone to this zone here, gold moves around about 500 pips. And so in this scenario, really, it's not very much tough to get your 100 pips, because this was a day. This was a day. Gold on this day, of course, it has to do with market events as well. On this day, gold moves around about 400 pips. 400 pips. I'm sure this is more than 400 pips as well. And then there are days where it's just kind of stagnant. But if you look into these days as well, let's see, around 200 pips. So in this scenario, it shouldn't be hard to gain 100 pips a day if you are searching for 100 pips a day. So find a pair that promises you something, some movement some good movement every day. If we drop down to the 4 hourly, that is what we have. So entries then, basically you can have my system is free on the blogs. The links are in the description box below. And the broker that I use, many people also ask me about the broker that I use. The broker that I use, see the link in the description box below. One of the best brokers in the world. I've been with them for more than 5 years now and have not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. And one of their best offers is with just $5 you can open a real life trading account. Yes, just $5 you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test your forex robots, your indicators, your strategies, without risking too much money at first. Okay, so after deciding on a forex pair, and you find a forex pair that moves, then you find a good strategy that guarantees you at least 100 pips a day, 100 pip entry a day. So for example, my strategy here is supply and demand, as zone to zones, support and resistance, whatever you call it. If I'm looking for 100 pips a day, according to my strategy, I'm waiting for price to come to these zones. There are some middle zones here that you cannot see, but I can see them visually because I've been doing this for years and years, just using this strategy. You can see here there's another zone there that I have not plotted, but it's there. So let's say a price came to this zone. Let's look for 100 pips. 100 pips in this scenario will be, where is 100 pips? It will be somewhere around, let's go down, let's keep going down, somewhere around there. That's all that you need, somewhere around there. If maybe we go down to the 1 hour so that it's clear. So you need a good forex pair that moves, a forex pair that does move. Gold, Euro USD, GBP pairs, then the indices. If you're up for the risk with the indices, then you need a good strategy. I'm just demonstrating you my strategy here, how easy it is to find 100 pips. So if we're in this scenario, 100 pips will be around there, somewhere around there. It almost aligns with this area here where price was dancing again. So 100 pips will be somewhere around there. Easy peasy. That's it. You basically make your entry here and you just look for that 100 pips and you're out. Especially if you have good capital in your trading account, it will be a bonus, because if you're like that, you don't need a price to really move that much in order to start making money in trading. So yeah, this is a very simple way of trading, really. I don't know the strategies that you use, but I believe I've just given you like the basics that you need to make 100 pips a day. Very easy, very simple, very straightforward. Somebody asked for this, so I just thought this is very simple to do, really. So find a pair that moves. Second, have a good strategy that you know can give you good entries. And thirdly, a bonus, have some good capital in your trading account, because sometimes if you have a good capital in your account, you don't even need 100 pips. You just need even 20 pips, 30 pips, 50 pips a day, and you're done. You're done for your trading. You don't need to be in the markets the whole day. Like, subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.